Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 3 effects you're probably not using but should be. Let's jump right in. So let's take a listen first. So it's a little chill kind of folk beat. So let's put some effects on this guitar first. So down here in the bottom left, let's click Effects, Add Effect, and I'm going to go to Modulation. And let's do this Little Rock. It's like a classic 70s phaser effect. Let's check it out. So let's turn the speed down and put the resonance to low. Turn it off. It's like pretty good. Turn it on. I like that it just gives it like a little bit of movement without really getting in the way or too distracting. But yeah, I like that one. That's Little Rock, a cool phaser sound. Next, let's go to drums. Let's go to delay. Let's add delay. So what we're going to try with drums is do a slapback kind of effect. So down here where it says under the time tab, it says beat. Let's go to milliseconds instead, and we want a relatively short time here. Let's see how this sounds. And let's turn the wet all the way down first, and then slowly bring it up to get the slapback delay effect. So you can kind of hear it like give the drums a bit more space, kind of gives it like a vintage sound as well, and just kind of makes it more interesting. Let's unsolo it. Turning the delay off. Pretty good. Yeah, again, just makes it a bit more interesting. Last one we'll tackle is something for the bass. How about, let's type here a pitch shifter. So let's put the input type to general since it's not vocal or percussion. And let's shift it 1 whole octave up, which is 12 semitones. Let's turn the mix all the way down first and slowly bring it up. Thank you so much for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.